Thanks for tuning in for another flight test on Essential RC. So this is RC Era's latest micro RC helicopter, although not as micro as others because this is 1/25th scale, whereas a lot of their others are 1/48th scale, quite a bit smaller. But this is their BO-105. Some nice features on this: dual brushless, which means it's more efficient in terms of its flight time because it is brushless compared to brushed motors. Those motors will last longer by virtue of being brushless, and it should be a bit quieter than the equivalent brushed motors as well. Lots of stabilization features which will make this very easy to fly, even for an absolute beginner. If you've used a PlayStation or an Xbox controller, you would be able to fly this quite easily. And it even has optical flow, sensor, which we're used to, but also a new TOF laser sensor, which I've not seen before. Be interesting to see how that helps it fly and maintain altitude. Anyways, let's have a look in the box. Let's see what we get. Okay, so let's look at the helicopter first. This is larger than a lot of the RC Era helicopters. Good size. It does come with rocket launchers you can put on the side. I'll worry about that for the next video. Then we've got the standard controller where we've got 3 speed modes: emergency stop, automatic takeoff and landing, and as well as the sticks and the trim switches, 2 batteries, spare blades, and that's it. Let's get it in the air. Let's see how it flies. Okay, so on, flashing because it's waiting for the receiver, lowest speed mode selected. Battery already in the helicopter. Make sure these clips are pushed out and then hold down this. Notice here you've got the optical flow and the TOF laser. Let's get it flying. So you see the lights are flashing. So now the radio transmitter is seeing the receiver and we're ready to take off. So you can use the auto takeoff and auto landing, or I can put sticks down and to the outside and then left stick to take off, and that's what I prefer to do. Let's try that. So manual landing. So that was holding down left stick all the way down, and then it suddenly went down and landed after it detected ground. Let's try auto takeoff. And auto landing. And that was auto landing using that button. Pretty good. So there you go. That is RC Era's C180 1/25th scale BO-105. Yeah, flew quite well indoors, I thought. If you've watched the flight footage, I think you'd feel the same. It's pretty smooth. I was on the lowest speed mode, not a large space that I'm flying in here. You know, combined kitchen, dining area, sitting area, and it was big enough. You know, this is not a small micro helicopter. It's a reasonable size, but really good on the sticks, accurate flight and characteristics, and fairly smooth. The takeoff manually sticks to the bottom outside positions and then up with the left stick, and it does jump a little bit into the air, but not too high, so fairly scale takeoff. Landing is a little bit different than the others RC Era helicopters, that you get down to about a foot and you're still putting down on the left stick, and then it kind of goes down quite quickly, and then you have to hold down the left stick to kill the motors or use the emergency stop. But overall, I thought, you know, quite good. The lights and the combined with the scale details on this, quite nice. So all in all, for indoor flying, I like it because it's that little bit bigger, and the fact that it's dual brushless motors as well means that will last a little bit longer than the equivalent brushed setup, and it's that little bit quieter as well, which is nice, because some of the brushed setups are quite noisy, especially the tail rotor. The TOF laser, I'm not sure how much that was helping, particularly indoors, because I was flying over furniture. Maybe that combined with the optical flow will help a lot better outside when I try it next time. But I think a decent package if it's in your price range. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. And within the first kind of month of that link being active, there's a discount code as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time on Essential RC. Bye.